Shine All is perfect for providing that like-new, high-gloss shine to your vehicle's vinyl and plastic surfaces. I'm Scott Horvath Jr. of Horvath Chemical and Supply. Shine All's versatility helps it stand out from the rest, which helps make it our best-selling product. Its proprietary formula contains no ozone-depleting chemicals and is water-resistant, UV protective, and can be applied without buffing or wiping by simply letting it dry. Gentle enough for your car and tough enough for your ATV. Use it as an effective tool to prevent dirt and mud from clinging to plastics, making it easy to clean unwanted debris off your vehicle. Shine All can also be applied to tires for that brand new, off-the-lot look, and is great for hitting those hard-to-clean places. Order Shine All today and view all our other high-quality car care products at horvathchemical.com.